So our learning intention is, can I use my addition and subtraction skills to find the change? And we need to do this so we can work out the answer quickly and accurately. So that means that it's definitely correct, and that when we check it again, it is also correct. So the things we need to remember, we need to look at the coins or the notes. What are the values of them? It's not one coin. What is the actual value of the coin? Is it £1? Is it a 50p? Is it a 20p? Is it a 10p? What is the total you are taking from? So you need to look at the questions and think, right, what's the number we're taking this money from? Remember, when we are subtracting, the biggest number or the largest number or the greatest number is normally the one we're taking away from. When we take the money away, it's just exactly as we do with our normal subtraction, where we look at the tens and ones, or we'd look at with that as well, how many pounds you can take away. So then we take the money away. What do you have left? That is the change. When you have something left, that is the change that you have. Okay, so those are the things we really need to look at when we are doing these questions.